Death with dignity. Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and estate planning attorney in New York. Today I'd like to speak about a topic that really was brought to my attention by watching a program on television. The particular episode, the scene was as follows. And this takes place in about the 17th century. There was an older individual that had what they surmised was a stroke, type that rendered the person immobile and unable to speak, could only blink his eyes. He was covered in bed sores. He had been in the bed about a month and a half. His foot had turned gangrenous, and the foot really needed to be amputated so that the gangrene wouldn't spread. And among the couple of people that were talking about this, they offered this person a choice. And, blink once for yes, blink twice for no. And the situation was explained to him, and he was given the choice of whether to have his foot tended to. Then he would remain in that condition because there was nothing to cure it at that time, or the person offered him the choice to take his life upon his approval, and that was what the gentleman wanted to do. Now, the person that was going to put a bullet in his head said to the gentleman, I heard that you were a wicked man, and I don't want to send any man to hell. So make your peace with God. And he as well made his peace with God. And then he was shot in the head mercifully. Now, New York, I practice in New York State, and there was a bill floated a couple of years ago. It did not pass. It was an Aid in Dying Act. Commonly, people may have heard of assisted suicide or medically assisted suicide or Dr. Kevorkian. Well, suicide is a word that's really gone out of favor in this type of situation, because it's not actually suicide if a person is terminally ill and they otherwise want to live, except they're terminally ill and they just want to be able to, under their own ability and choice, choose to end their life on their own terms. So even the act that was floated it used the phrasing, I think, aid in dying. A term that's come into favor as well is the death with dignity, and it really is it's a choice for the individual where they're requesting certain medicine that will aid in their transition. So this is not something that could be done through a power of attorney. Through a healthcare proxy. The person themselves has to request it, and it in fact right now does not exist. It's not the law in New York State, but it is a topic that really needs further consideration by the legislature, and there's a movement afoot. So if you'd like to speak about this or any other issue, please reach out to me. Call Frank Bruno. Thank you.